How to set the required SMB protocol. The server message block SMB protocol is used by some Brother device functions in order to read and write data to a shared network folder. This video explains how to set which SMB version you want your Brother device to use. Open a web browser and type the IP address of your Brother device in order to access its internal web server. Then type in its admin password and click the login button. From the navigation menu, find and click the network button. Then click the sub-network button. From here, click the protocol button. Here you will find the list of protocols that your Brother device supports. Ensure that the SMB CIFS protocol is enabled, and then click the Advanced Settings button next to it. This is where you can select which version or versions of the SMB protocol you want your Brother device to use. Thank you.